Good morning again. It's always good morning. Right, as you can see, I'm all set up. Come down here last night. Well, no, I'm lying. When I finished work yesterday, a friend came down and he helped me measure diagonals and set all out. We're very happy. Considering we worked off the old slab, there's only a 50mm discrepancy on the diagonals, which is accounted for because of the way it kicks out, which I showed in an earlier video where the slab's not quite parallel. But no, we're all good to go. So I'm just going to set out the blocks and yeah, get some muck on and get laying. Had a lucky escape. I was busy working and the boss turned up. Hello boss, how are you? Hello gorgeous. This is why you build houses, to become homes, isn't it? So we can have little princesses like you living in there. You okay?
Yeah, Daddy.
So this is my little family. This is what it's all about, isn't it? Building a home.
So we've got a bit of a cold at the minute, so
Yeah.
I'm not looking my best.
I forgot the grinder in the fed mix, so she kindly brought it down for me. I'm just transferring the levels, even though we know exactly that end, just to err on the side of caution. I'm transferring it across as well, because I don't want to mess it up. It's going really well. Obviously I'm a lot more proficient at it now. I've had a bit more practice, so a bit more confident. Happy days. What do you think, darling? Getting there slowly. Sky's just like, why have you dragged me out? I was quite comfortable watching CBeebies. Right, let's come back when I'm doing a bit more. The first day of spring or something the other day. It's lovely over here. Right, I've not been filming, so I've been concentrating. So I've built the corners up on both sides now. Pinged a string for this first course, so I'm just infilling now. So we'll carry on. Right, I've got an hour left of the day, so I'm not going to do a mix. I've got a delivery coming tomorrow, more sand and stuff, so I'm going to jump in the digger, move that into the centre of there, just so it's out of the way. So I want to get the sand as close as possible, so I'm thinking to get it dropped there. So this is in the way, so I'm going to jump on that now. So I'll just do it before. That's the pile there. And that's the pile gone. Over to there. Right, it's a new day. Got delivery coming this morning, 7 tons of sand and a few more blocks to finish off and a bit of metal. Like I said, I am now going to sort this pile of sand out just so it's sorted, and then we're finished laying the blocks all the way around this section. We'll get this all graded and flattened down, put the sand on, and then we'll close this a little area up. I thought I'd just leave this open because it just makes life easier, so I can use the digger all the time then. Work smart, not harder. Now that is perfectly where I want it. That's going to save loads of work. Right then, Friday, woohoo! It means nothing to me, but woohoo! Right, I'm going to get this gable end course done, then run that side in, then maybe try and do that side, and then maybe do the scalps. Maybe. Let's get cracking. Right, that went well. Move on to the next course now. Right, that's as far as I'm going with that side. I'll now go over to there. It is Scorchio today. I'm going to have to start bringing my shorts to work. Right, I always like it when you do this, so I'll put the level there. Lovely jubbly. I'm literally starting to sweat. I'm just going to put these lintel blocks in, sort that out, and then we'll do that gable end final course. Right, that's the last block laid on this row. I'll go up to the gable end now. Right, that's the last of the foundation blocks done on this gable end. So all I've got left to do is where I've left it open to bring aggregate in. So yeah, we're nearly finished with that side of things. Friday afternoon, so I'm going to have a quick clear up, sort everything out, and if there's enough time I might start moving the hardcore around a little bit. Right then, that's me done for this week. I'm going to be busy next week helping a mate out on one of his projects. In return, he's going to help me do my roof, so a bit of work exchange going on. That's where we're at, so it's all done the whole way around, apart from the little bit that I allowed, like I said, to get the aggregate in. Got to infill the lintel bits there and metal it up. Same on the corner pots, bit of metal and a bit of concrete, so that'll be that all up together. It's looking good. Hopefully I'm not going to need too much more aggregate. You know, I'm not sure if that pile is going to fill this area up to height. We can but try. If not, I'll just get another 10 ton in. It's €190 for 10 ton, and we can use it for just putting around the outer edges and whacking down, so we've got a solid levelish base to work off of if we've got to put scaffold or anything down. Right, I'll be back soon.